Hello, I'm Gary Jordan with the Jordan Property Group and eXp Realty. Here today in the Wolf Ranch community of Eastern Colorado Springs, showing you an exceptional home in this community built by Toll Brothers, which is a very highly respected national builder. This particular address is 9127 Glitter Way. The plan is called Adolphi. It's a one-story rancher, almost 4,000 square feet, 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 3-car garage, priced at $975. Notice the very large driveway to this 3-car garage, also very exceptional. Behind me is great view of the mountains, and this area behind me is also a dedicated open space area that will not be developed with any more homes. So the view you see right now is the view you'll have with this home once it's yours. So we can go inside now, take a look at this home, and give you some more details. It's a very attractive home. Once again, landscaping is all included. I mean, those mountains are pretty special. Sun going down in the west right now, and once again, that area you see right there will not have homes on it. It's open space area. It won't change. Really nice landscaping. This home is totally completed, ready to purchase right now. You first walked in, first word that comes to mind is wow. If you like bright, open, lots of light and so forth, this home for sure has it. I've got a special guest with me today, one of the sales reps at Toll Brothers. Rachel's going to tell us all about this home, all the bells and whistles. It has a long list of bells and whistles. Rachel, you got the floor.
Sure. Hi, welcome to Toll Brothers, and this is our very popular Daphne floor plan. You can look up and see that this home is upgraded with ceiling beams all the way across the great room and even in the foyer. We have a gourmet kitchen here with quartz countertops and a waterfall edge coming down on the side. This island seats about 5 people comfortably. We have very upgraded cabinetry. It's all quiet closing. All of the drawers are full extension, dovetail finish on the side, all quiet closing. We have rocker light switches. We have under cabinet lighting, a beautiful backsplash here, and check out this KitchenAid gas range. 6 burners. It's the Cadillac of gas ranges for you. You have a beautiful KitchenAid vent hood, a stainless steel KitchenAid dishwasher over here, a beautiful sink with this wonderful faucet, and this is your garbage disposal here, this button right here. We even have a trash pull out for your trash and recycling in the island. A walk-in pantry is over here, and then you have this wonderful end cap with additional storage, which is very convenient for entertaining, right at the end of the island here. You have an industrial metal railing across the great room here, and the metal handrail carries you down to your finished garden level basement. This is a garden level home site. These oversized sliding glass doors lead to a completely covered deck where you may enjoy your 2-sided fireplace. So when we come out here, you have this wonderful covered deck with the composite decking material. And then look at the roof line of this covered deck. Very architectural as well. You have nice steps down, a modern railing here around the garden level deck. And then this entire space here is a green belt that is maintained by the HOA. All of the landscaping in a lawn at Wolf Ranch is included with the home, and it is all maintained for you. In this neighborhood, we install your front yard, your backyard, we maintain it, the water meter is separate, and we also shovel your snow when it's 3 inches or more, and we shovel your driveway. Plus, you get all of the amenities in Wolf Ranch. So you get the swimming pool, the miles and miles of parks and trails, the lake, which is stocked with trout, and you can paddleboard and kayak on that lake. And all of the events that take place in Wolf Ranch year-round are all part of those HOA dues as well. It's a very quiet neighborhood with open space at each end, and there's just one way in to a lawn at Wolf Ranch. So that keeps it very exclusive as well. When you're looking back on the great room here, again, you can see how this indoor-outdoor entertaining will be seamless with these oversized sliding glass doors. Let's go inside and take a look at the 2 bedrooms on the main level before we go downstairs.
Making my job very easy.
So when we come up front, we have these beautiful windows. And Gary's nice and tall. I am 5'5", and I can even see. These windows frame the peak beautifully. So you'll have uninterrupted views of Pikes Peak from your great room through these windows here. And then when we come around the front door, off of the front, we have a separate hallway leading to a main level bedroom. And this main level bedroom has vaulted ceilings inside. So if you want to step in here, you can see how nice and high the ceilings are, loads of natural light, and very nice, wonderful windows in keeping with the mid-century modern architecture in this neighborhood. One of the major pluses in this particular home is that it includes over $26,000 in electric window coverings. You can see those in place here, and they'll be controlled by remotes. And that's already done for you. It's very turnkey. You have 2-tone paint here, and whoever uses this room, whether it's an office or guest room, has views of the mountains from this window as well. Right next door to this bedroom, you have a full bathroom. So very convenient for main level guests. You have beautiful floor-to-ceiling glass tile accents on both walls here. And you have a tub shower, nice high ceilings in this bathroom, and quartz countertops, undermount sinks as well. These floors are about to be stained. These are real hardwood floors. These are site finished, sanded, and stained real hardwood. Look at those lovely hardwood vents there. You don't see those every day. And then let's go back to the primary bedroom suite, which is a real showstopper in this home. So at the other end of the main level, we have this wonderful hallway entrance point. You have a nice storage linen closet here, your thermostat here. This home has been zoned for the upper level and the lower level separately. This is the primary bedroom sleeping area. Again, you have these wonderful mid-century modern architecturally interesting windows. You also have the window coverings included that will be controlled by remotes. You have a wire for future television here. And then rocker switches throughout. There's over $10,000 in electrical upgrades in this home. Future sconce outlets here are capped off. A ceiling fan pre-wire here is capped off. And then these rocker switches, right on either side of where you might place your bed, are fantastic because you can have a pendant here and not have to have your nightstand taken up with a lamp. Then this bedroom flows seamlessly into the ensuite primary bathroom. And when you come into this bathroom, you will see nothing but upgrades. Amazing tile upgrades, beautiful quartz countertops. We have dual sinks, one on this side and one on that side. The mirrors are going to be installed along with the hardware any day now. You have this very nice freestanding soaking tub. And then you have a toilet room here. And then this fantastic shower. Beautiful tile floor, tile upgrades all the way to the ceiling. 2 shower heads and a built-in bench with a quartz top in the shower as well. Then it flows seamlessly into your walk-in closet. We're just finishing the wood, rod, and shelving that's all built in. Look at the size of this closet. This is just one side. You even have the automatic shades there. And then looking over here, you have plenty of room on this side as well. And I'll just close the door on Gary for a second. You can see there's a mirrored closet here. Very convenient. And then you head right on in, connecting to your laundry room. This is a beautifully appointed laundry room. We have a laundry sink, quartz countertops, upgraded cabinetry. Here we have those included window coverings again. Look at this fun tile. And then your washer and dryer will have cabinetry above as well. And then you step right on in to your everyday entry from the laundry room. This is a very nice open area where most people intend to put a bench and hooks. It can be a wonderful drop zone, plenty of room for shoes, boots, coats, jackets, backpacks, you name it. And this leads right to the fantastic oversized 3-car garage with extra high ceilings. This garage is fully insulated. The garage doors are insulated, the garage is insulated, and it includes garage door openers. It's quite vast. You can hear my echo a little bit in here. And we do have a hot and cold bin right here in the garage as well. And many, many electrical outlets along the wall. It's a perfect garage for hobbies. Nice tall garage doors, 8-foot tall garage doors. And you have natural light in the garage, but you also have a lot of privacy because these windows are there, but they're not looking at anybody. So lots of privacy for you. And again, these wonderful geometrical shaped windows with the mid-century modern architecture.
Very nice.
And all of this rounds out the main level, and we haven't even gone downstairs yet. So let's pop over to the lower level. Again, look how bright this is. Bright, wonderful, great room, really high ceilings, beautiful upgraded ceiling beams throughout. And then we'll head down here to the garden level basement. You have a nice wood landing here that's real hardwood, and then upgraded carpet leading to the lower level, and you'll feel that underfoot. It's very cushy, and you have lots of outlets along the stairwell, so that if you want to do theater lighting along your stairwell after closing, you're welcome to do that. We have painted stair skirts, wonderful windowsills. This is a 9-foot finished garden level basement. You have those included window coverings there as well on these 2 windows. This is an entertainer's basement. Look at the size of this family room. We've wired for television, movies, gaming, whatever you choose here. You've got sconces on the wall here. You've got extra outlets in the ceiling for future speakers throughout. Then you have this whole other end. You can put a pool table down here, all kinds of recreation possibilities. You have 2 thermostats, as I may have mentioned earlier in this home, one for the upper level and one for the lower level. This is the mechanical room here. So this is where your tankless water heater and your carrier furnace are located. Tankless water heaters are included in our homes. And then coming over here from your basement, doesn't happen every day, we have a view of Pikes Peak.
That's for sure.
And then coming through here, a place to store all your keepsakes, your holiday, things that you just want to store in a nice climate-controlled environment. We have this wonderful storage room. Again, it's insulated. It's a great place to keep things that don't need to go in your garage. And then as we wrap back around looking at this giant space for recreation and entertainment, off to the left, we have your bedroom suites. So I'll just hurry up along ahead of Gary so that I can make sure the lights are on down here.
Okay.
But we've got 2 very grand bedrooms down here. Again, upgraded carpet, upgraded baseboards. Come on in. This is the first of 2 bedrooms in the basement. Really nice size, would fit a king-size bed comfortably. Nice closet here. Included window coverings on the windows again. Rocker switches. Then a very large bedroom here as well. Included window coverings. Nice size, would fit a king-size bed easily. Great office if you wanted to have a lower level office as well. Then loads of storage in this hallway. Nice linen closet here with wood shelving. And then as we proceed down the hallway, you have a nice coat closet, great for seasonal items that you might need to keep downstairs. And then a very large bathroom with 2 sinks. They're both undermount sinks, quartz countertops, a wonderful tile selection here. You have a very modern glass tile in the shower surround, a bathtub, and then this fun tile on the floor here. So this home is available. We're just going to be restaining the floors and finishing up with some mirrors, some trims, some hardware, but we're on the home stretch. So please give Gary a call if you'd like to come by or come see me and we'll take a look at it in person. Happy to show it to you. Toll Brothers in Wolf Ranch is open 7 days a week.
Well, thank you very much, Rachel. That's a very good description. As you can see, this home has lots of bells and whistles, lots of upgrades. It truly is, as Rachel said, a showstopper. The Toll Brothers builds a quality home, as you can see. Wolf Ranch is a quality neighborhood, high demand, great schools, very close, convenient to amenities, all the shopping, theaters, restaurants you could possibly imagine, easy access to I-25. So if this particular home checks all the boxes for your family, if you have more questions about the home, reach out to me at 719-502-7176. Let's have a conversation. Get you in this home ASAP so you can enjoy Christmas here in Colorado this next month. Thanks a lot. Thanks for the opportunity to show this to you. Don't forget, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you again in a few days. Thank you.